3 tips to get rid of gas without medicines. Dear visitors, there are many people who suffer from gas problems almost every day. And because of this, the stomach swells and a lot of gas accumulates in the stomach, from which pressure is felt on the chest and chest pain is felt, even from stomach ulcers to almost all types of skeletal problem. For this reason, you may have consumed any type of gas tablet or capsule. You all know that long-term consumption of gas tablets or capsules has a major adverse effect, and it has a particularly harmful effect on our hearts and kidneys. So, dear viewers, today in this video, we will discuss 3 things that, if you can understand or include them in your lifestyle, you will not have gas problems any more days, or you will not have to take such famous gas tablets or capsules any more days. Dear visitor, when we eat food, after swallowing, the food slowly moves down through our alimentary canal. At the junction of our stomach and esophagus, there is a door that opens and food passes into the stomach. Every time we eat, some air goes into our stomach with the food and the door closes after leaving. Dear viewers, the point to be made is that in the case of those who eat too fast or too hastily, on the one hand, they do not chew the food properly, which causes a disturbance in the digestion process. And too much air is passed into the stomach with each meal to eat quickly. The door closes after the food is gone. The stomach fills with air. Gas, bloating, and other problems are caused by pressure on the chest. Such problems are caused by dizziness. So, dear visitor, fast food should not be eaten in any way. It should be eaten very slowly. It should be chewed very well and eaten slowly with a cool head. When you eat little by little, the door of our alimentary canal will remain open for a long time. In this case, the air that goes with the food that you ate before will rise again to the top. At one time, a big burp will rise, but the air that is in the stomach will go out through the mouth. There will be no fear of bloating. There will be no problem with gas accumulation in the stomach. I hope you understand this. By opening the esophagus door repeatedly to eat slowly, your digestive system will work better. Dear visitor, when you consume a beverage like drinking water or cold drink syrup, you eat the same way you would eat food. It should be eaten slowly. That is, it should be eaten slowly because the same effort can be seen in this case as well. As a result of drinking water too quickly, the air in the mouth also goes into the stomach with the water. Never drink bottled water. By doing this, a lot of air accumulates in the mouth, but that air with water or cold drinks goes into our stomach, and because the door of the esophagus is closed, there is a problem of bloating in the stomach and gas accumulates. So any food, even water in mealtime, must be eaten slowly and with time. And dear visitor, it does not mean that you spend 20 minutes instead of 10 minutes eating a plate of food. That is neither too fast nor too slow. You must eat normally. If you like the video, please like and share it so that the YouTube algorithm can understand the video is helpful. And if you want to know anything, comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get new updated videos. Dear visitor, number 2 is when you eat food, drink half a glass of water between meals. Audience, many of us do not drink water in the middle of a meal, but drink it after the meal. There are many people who drink water repeatedly between meals. Dear visitors, you do neither. It disturbs your digestive system. This will increase your gas problem. Dear visitor, you must remember that you should drink half a glass of water right in the middle of the meal. Never drink water between meals or drink too much water. After eating, drink as much water as you need. The audience, if you are in the middle of a meal, drinking half a glass of water will improve your digestion. Your gas problem will be solved. Number 3 is, dear viewers, people who suffer from anxiety, overthinking, or negative thinking, or who are prone to depression or anxiety, tend to have more acid buildup. In other words, dear viewers, hyperacidity appears to be the problem because the stomach nervous system has a great connection with the brain. The proton pump is in our stomach. Dear viewers, overactivity is seen in those cells whose job it is to secrete acid. And because of this, more acid is secreted than necessary. After eating, the acid replaces it upwards and causes heartburn. Such various problems can be seen. Dear visitors, for those who suffer from such problems, the vagus nerve is stressed, due to which problems like breathing problems are seen. As a result, many people breathe through their mouths. This causes excess air to enter your stomach, causing a lot of gas in your stomach, bloating, and related problems. So you can't worry too much under any circumstances. No matter how difficult the problem is, accept it as a simple matter. it will be good for you in every way. Dear listeners, we have discussed 3 tips. Number 1 is that when eating food, especially solid food, chew it very nicely, chew it very well, and drink any kind of food, but also eat it slowly. Number 2 is that when you eat, you drink half a glass of water right in the middle of the meal. Number 3 is worry-free, but you have to get away from negative thinking and overthinking. They should be accepted as a part of life. Make it a daily habit by mixing half a glass of turmeric with warm water and 2 spoons of honey every morning. In this way, the excess acids that accumulate in our stomach are cleared in the morning. Dear listener, maybe you are healthy today, because if you do not have these habits, it will not take time for you to get sick. So you will look at these things while eating today. Viewers, those who are ill or sick or have gas problems should make it a daily habit to take half a glass of turmeric with 2 spoons of honey mixed with warm water in addition to these dietary rules. You will never have a gas problem. You will never have to take expensive gas tablets or capsules again. So, dear listeners, with your little awareness, your beautiful life will be more beautiful. Thanks for watching the full video. See you in another new video. Until then, stay well and stay healthy.